So hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm gonna show you does Fortnite works smoothly in Infinix Note 40 or not. So let's start the game guys. Okay guys, as you see I start the game. By the way, it feels like some hanging issue or lagging issue while playing. As you guys also see. So okay guys, it feels like the game is hanging too much. I don't think the Infinix Note 40 have frequently gameplay in Fortnite. So if we're talking about does Fortnite work smoothly in Infinix Note 40 or not, so I would say that no, Infinix Note 40 have a lot of hanging and lagging issue in Fortnite games. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.